Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to download and install IPA file in your iPhone. So from your app store, search for any trans send files anywhere. So the second one, so all you have to do is to just download or install this to your phone. So just tap that blue button and double click to install. And once you're done installing, now open the app from your phone, and then here, you can manage your iPhone from your computer. So make sure that your iPhone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and if any trans desktop software is already installed, then launch this software on your phone, and you can now connect it to your computer as long as you have the same Wi-Fi address. And you can now tap scan if you wish to scan any information from your computer to your phone or vice versa. Now once you do that, you can now simply extract or import files from phone to computer or from your computer to phone. So that's it. Hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.